If you're looking to enhance your car's audio experience, you need the right subwoofer for deep, powerful bass. The best 10-inch car subwoofer delivers exceptional sound quality, compact design, and impressive performance for any music lover on the road. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Seventour Subwoofer. The Seventour 10-inch ultra-slim underseat active powered car truck subwoofer is a fantastic choice for drivers who want deep bass without taking up a lot of space. Built with a cast aluminum enclosure, it not only ensures excellent heat dissipation, but also guarantees durability for long-term performance. This slim subwoofer is designed to slide easily under most car or truck seats, making it ideal for compact installations. What makes this subwoofer stand out is its modern aesthetic. Equipped with a personalized spider speaker protector and a stylish LED ambient light ring that glows blue when your car starts, it instantly gives your vehicle a cooler, more dynamic appearance. It comes with a wired bass volume remote control that lets you adjust gain, bass boost, and crossover settings easily to fine-tune your audio experience. Supporting both low-level RCA inputs and high-level inputs, this subwoofer ensures broad compatibility with most car audio systems. Safety is also well covered, with thermal, short circuit, and overload protection, along with a clear LED status indicator. With a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 500 Hz and a bass boost adjustable up to 12 dB, it delivers punchy lows while maintaining clarity in vocals and midtones. Measuring just 13.5 inches by 10.2 inches with a thickness of 3.1, it's compact enough to fit tight spaces while still packing a serious punch. Number 2. Rockville SS10P Subwoofer. The Rockville SS10P subwoofer is a powerful underseat solution that's perfect for drivers who want strong bass performance without sacrificing valuable cabin space. At only 3 inches tall, this subwoofer fits seamlessly under most car seats, making it one of the slimmest designs available while still packing impressive power. With 800 watts of peak power and 200 watts RMS, it delivers deep and punchy bass that enhances all types of music genres, from hip-hop to rock, while maintaining clarity and balance. The built-in amplifier means you won't need an external amp, and it includes both high-level and RCA inputs, giving you flexibility to integrate it into virtually any car audio system. Rockville has also designed this subwoofer with user-friendly controls, including adjustable input sensitivity, a subsonic filter, phase switch, and an auto turn-on function for added convenience. It even comes with a remote bass knob, so you can easily control your bass levels from the driver's seat. For added peace of mind, it includes advanced protection circuits for thermal overload, short circuits, and overpowering issues, safeguarding both the subwoofer and your car's electrical system. Measuring 13.6 by 9.65 by 3.0, it's compact yet powerful enough to transform your vehicle's sound system into a dynamic audio experience. Number 3. Feikeer Subwoofer. The Feikeer Subwoofer is designed with versatility and user experience in mind, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want both impactful bass and long-term reliability. This underseat subwoofer offers a unique blend of performance and thoughtful design, with a strong emphasis on enhancing music, movies, and everyday listening experiences. What stands out immediately is the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction, as they provide a 1-year replacement warranty and professional support with email responses within 24 hours, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. When it comes to performance, this subwoofer adds depth and richness to rock music by enhancing low-frequency tones, creating a fuller and more immersive sound that elevates your listening sessions. It's not just about music either. This subwoofer also improves the experience of watching movies in your car by providing controlled low-end effects, such as deep rumbles and subtle background bass that enhance cinematic soundtracks. For action and thriller fans, this extra dimension of sound can make drives more entertaining and atmospheric. The Feikeer subwoofer is also designed with balance in mind, offering guidance on adjusting bass for clarity without overpowering mids and highs. Its frequency tuning between 60 Hz and 80 Hz is recommended for achieving smooth, clean audio that avoids muddiness. Beyond bass, it can complement mid and high frequencies, allowing vocals, acoustic instruments, and podcasts to shine through without distortion. Number 4. Pioneer TS-A2500 LS4 Subwoofer. The Pioneer TS-A2500 LS4 subwoofer is a high-performance choice for drivers who want powerful yet refined bass in a compact package. Engineered to complement Pioneer's A-series full-range speakers, it delivers smooth and dynamic sound characteristics with a punch that's both powerful and precise. With a maximum power rating of 1200 watts and a nominal power of 300 watts, this subwoofer produces impactful bass that you can both hear and feel, transforming your vehicle into a mobile concert hall. Built with a glass fiber and mica-reinforced IMPP cone, the TS-A2500 LS4 is exceptionally rigid and durable. Unlike active subwoofers, this is a passive unit, meaning it requires an external amplifier, giving you full control over how much power and customization you want for your setup. Its 4-ohm single voice coil design makes wiring straightforward and efficient, delivering reliable performance when paired with a compatible amp. Despite its slim and space-saving design, this subwoofer doesn't compromise on sound quality, making it ideal for tight installations under or behind seats. The 85 dB efficiency ensures it operates smoothly while maintaining excellent clarity even at higher bass levels. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy hip-hop tracks, rock anthems, or cinematic soundscapes, this subwoofer enhances the low end without muddying mids and highs. Number 5. Pioneer TS-A250D4 Subwoofer. The Pioneer TS-A250D4 subwoofer is a versatile and powerful option designed for drivers who want maximum flexibility and performance in their car audio setup. Delivering up to 1,300 watts of peak power and 400 watts of nominal power, it packs an impressive punch while maintaining clarity and precision. Like other models in Pioneer's A-series, this subwoofer features a glass fiber and mica-reinforced IMPP cone, ensuring high rigidity, strength, and reduced distortion for clean, powerful bass. What sets this model apart is its dual 4-ohm voice coil design, which provides flexible wiring options at 2 ohms, 4 ohms, or 8 ohms, making it adaptable to a wide range of amplifiers. This level of versatility gives users the ability to customize their sound system for maximum efficiency and performance. With an efficiency rating of 74 dB, the TS-A250D4 is designed to work best when paired with the right amplifier, delivering powerful bass output tailored to your preferences. It is also optimized for specific enclosures, recommended for a 1.0 cubic foot vented enclosure or a 0.7 cubic foot sealed enclosure, ensuring you get the best performance whether you want tighter, more controlled bass or a louder, more booming sound. Its 5.875-inch mounting depth makes installation straightforward while still allowing it to fit into compact spaces. This passive subwoofer does require an external amplifier, but the benefit is greater control over your audio experience, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want to fine-tune every aspect of their sound. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.